What's up, guys? Installing a trailer hitch on your Chevy Equinox can take you to some really fun places, like camping, bike riding, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down that installation for you. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. Our first step in installing the trailer hitch is to remove 2 screws located under the bumper using a T15 Torx spigot. Our next step is to lower the exhaust. First, we're going to support our exhaust with a support strap and then remove a rubber retainer that's holding it in the middle. To remove the rubber retainer, I'm going to spray it with soapy water and then use my exhaust hanger pliers to remove it. Next, we're going to have to remove 2 bolts from each side, holding the exhaust bracket to the frame using a 15mm ratchet. To fully lower the exhaust, we're gonna have to bring the exhaust bracket down, then gently pull on the fascia to get the exhaust underneath the bumper. Now with the exhaust out of the way, we can go ahead and begin to install our hardware. We're going to have 3 attachment points on each side. We're going to use our fish wire technique with our spacer and carriage bolt. Our 3 attachment points are going to be here, here, and here, using this hole for our access. I'm going to feed our fish wire through our attachment point and out through our access hole. Next, I'm going to feed the spacer through the coil and then attach our bolt. You'll want to feed the spacer through first and then the carriage bolt. Pulling the wire until the bolt drops into the attachment point. We'll go ahead and repeat on the passenger side. Now that we have the underbody prepped, we can go ahead and get our hitch into position. I'm going to be using a U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have one, it is a good idea to get an extra set of hands as this hitch can be very heavy. Let's go ahead and show you how to do it. Before we raise the hitch all the way up, we're going to want to move this wiring harness out of the way so we don't pinch any of the wires. Next, we're going to go ahead and pull all of our fish wires through the corresponding attachment points on the hitch. We'll go ahead and repeat on the other side. Now we can raise our hitch into position, making sure we don't push any of the hardware back up into the frame. Next, we're gonna go ahead and install our hardware. One by one, and I'm gonna take each fish wire off, install the conical tooth washer, making sure the teeth are facing the hitch, and our 18mm bolt. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten each bolt with a 18mm socket. We'll go ahead and repeat on the other side. Next, we're going to go ahead and torque all of our bolts down to manufactured specifications. If you need those specifications, click the link down below for the instructions. Now with our hitch installed, we can go ahead and raise our exhaust back into place and reinstall all of our brackets. We're going to go ahead and reattach our rubber isolator using some soapy water and remove our support strap. Lastly, we'll go ahead and reinstall our 2 screws. With our hitch installed, we've pulled our vehicle down to level ground. Let's go ahead and get you guys some important measurements for your hitch accessories. First, we have a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper, we have 5 inches. From the ground to the top of the receiver, we've got 11¼ inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories, such as a bike rack and cargo carrier. That wraps up our trailer hitch install. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys next time. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch Professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.